This amazing fur townhome floor plan from First Texas Homes is featured in the brand new community of Mercer Crossing Kensington Townhomes located in Farmers Branch, Texas. This eye-catching two-story townhome features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and 2,176 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. The exterior features our classic brick and stone masonry and a covered front porch, offering excellent curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom door into the foyer, you'll find the living room, featuring large windows, crown molding, a ceiling fan, and pre-wiring for surround sound. Also off the entrance is a powder room. Continue through the living room into the kitchen, featuring shaker-style cabinets with upper glass doors and under-cabinet lighting, granite countertops with custom backsplash, farmhouse-style sink, built-in microwave, built-in oven with 5-burner gas cooktop, and an adjacent dining area. Make your way upstairs, where you'll find the private master suite, featuring vaulted ceilings, a ceiling fan, and large windows that let in quite a bit of natural light. The master bath features split vanities with a makeup area, an extended walk-in shower with custom tile, a jetted tub, and a spacious master closet. 2 additional bedrooms with vaulted ceilings and spacious closets, as well as a full bath and laundry room complete the second floor. This magnificent Fur TH floor plan is featured in the community of Mercer Crossing Kensington Townhomes in Farmers Branch, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Fur TH floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.